thought I was gonna die. Finally made it Nusa Penida after 2 hours. 3 hours actually. The boat, the waves were very big. Roller coaster. It's like we were in a roller coaster for 3 hours. We're good now. Made it to Nusa Penida. Yeah. It was very deep. Deep waves. Big waves. As I said, it's a roller coaster. I don't want to break. It's okay?
Yeah.
Guys, I got coconut. It's right in the middle of jungle. Now we gotta cook it. I mean, we gotta open it. That's one, yes.
Then we open.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's
It's different.
Yeah.
Hi. Nice.
Good, thank you.
Just for you, what?
Friend. Thank you. Oh.
Sweet,
Not too much. It's good.
Not too much.
but it's very young. It's too young.
Oh, it's young.
Yeah.
How do you know?
Ooh.
This is our first dinner in Nusa Penida. Let me try it. They add some coriander inside. It's a chicken and some onions. Oh, there's so many stuff inside. Egg.
Hey.
Wow. And cabbage. This is interesting. Very rich in ingredients. Oh, this is very nice. Chicken soup is how it tastes like. Guys, I just got my mee goreng. Mee means noodle.
Fried noodle.
Fried noodle. Goreng is fried. So I see chicken on top, and I see this like a chips. And also I see chicken satay. Here we go. I think they put the sauce. I believe it's a peanut sauce. Peanut, yeah. Let's try the noodles first. Tastes like a cup noodle, fried. A little sweet, a little spicy. And that's how it tastes like. Upgraded version of cup noodles, in other words. Has more flavors. This is nice.
So I noticed in Nusa Penida, the ATMs don't dispense cash later on the day, so make sure to have enough cash or arrive earlier on the day. Also, certain ATMs don't accept foreign cards like Visa or MasterCard, so make sure to double check.
Finally made it. Scooted around the Nusa Penida to come here.
40 minutes.
40-minute driving. I have cramps in my finger. We're almost there, guys. We come all the way this side, halfway there. So we just have to go down again. That's it. I think going up it will be more harder because you have to work your muscle out. We made it! Yeah! That was very tough. Hard hike. We came all the way from this top. We came like this way and then boom. right over here. Look at the wave. Very big. It's hard to swim because it's going to pull you inside the ocean. It's not doing well. There's a manta ray right over here. Manta ray, and also a turtle. We saw a turtle. We came to Crystal Bay Beach. I think it's Crystal Bay Beach. Very nice, very good atmosphere. Now we're going to go get corn for 20. So this is the beach, Crystal Bay Beach. Waves are pretty crazy. I'm going to go get corn from the guy. What's up there, my friend?
Pandan Beach.
Pandan Beach?
Yeah.
Is better or that one?
Small.
Small. Big waves.
Yeah,
Same.
Wet sand.
Ah, wet sand. Ah.
Good. Small. No swimming at the
No swimming.
coral. This coral.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yes, this one. Spicy, no?
Yeah.
It's peanut.
No, no peanut.
No peanut. How many you sell in one day? Yeah. On 100.
No.
You don't count.
30.
30, huh? Not many.
20.
Today is good. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much, my friend. Talk to you later. I got the corn. Here we go. This one is for you. I got spicy. Let's try it. Not too spicy actually. It's great. Good morning from Nusa Penida. We made it to Thousand Islands. Took us 1 hour scooter ride. Bumpy scooter ride. Everywhere hurts now. Every part of my body. My legs. That's part of journey, you know. We're going to see soon the Thousand Islands.
From our experience, there was no entrance fee besides for parking. However, there were tickets for 75,000 Indonesian rupiahs to take a photo on the iconic treehouse.
This is the view from this heart-shaped. Wait, I almost fell, guys. Heart-shaped seats, I think. Couch, outdoor couch. Here we go. Today is the first day of 2023. Happy New Year to everyone. That's the view, guys. There's the beach. I don't know what beach is that. Probably it's a diamond beach. Apparently the famous house in my back used to be free. Now you have to pay 75,000 rupiah. That's about $5, I guess, per picture. Not per picture, per person. It's worth it, I guess, to come visit this beautiful piece of land. The piece of land called Thousand Island. Very beautiful. Make sure you bring lots of water and electrolytes like us. Yes, enjoy the view. Finally, we made to Atuh/Diamond Beach. Walking down from the famous stairs. We made it to Diamond Beach. It was an extreme hike. This is Diamond Beach. This is the hike we did. Over there, we came from here like that, and then walk all the way up here. Guys, this is Diamond Beach. Guys, this is Diamond Beach. You have to climb down like this from here, and you also have to climb up. Very tough, very, very tough. But the view is good, but it's hard to beach, I think. Why? Because so much waves. So wish us luck. We're going to climb up all the way there, all the way over here. Bye. We came to Atuh beach now. This is Atuh beach. So Diamond and Atuh is together. So Diamond is behind this cliff. So that's Diamond Beach. But this is Atuh. Atuh is a little bit easier to climb down from all the way up there. So you have to climb downstairs. This is Atuh beach. Pretty empty and it's rocky. I see a lot of rocks here. My favorite beach so far is Crystal Bay. Crystal Bay beach is the best so far. Why? Because not too many rocks and easy to bike there, easy to walk, easy. Here you have to climb down and climb up. It's so much work. So we went all the way up there, I think. Not all the way. We didn't go. We drove here, over here, yeah. And then the guy said you can climb down and then walk from here, from Atuh beach, and go up and see Diamond Beach there. It's too much. So we drove backwards this way. We drove back like this for half an hour. Entrance was 25,000 rupiah for one person, and then plus parking ticket 5,000. It's all right. Guys, this is from behind. It's very beautiful. Behind of Atuh beach. Now I have to climb up again. Tired, and you gotta go back home. It's a tiring day today. We've been out there since 10 a.m. Right now it's 5 p.m. 7 hours, guys. 7 hours. Yes. We are in Giriputri Temple in Nusa Penida. We rented sarong. 5,000 per sarong. We biked here, not too far away from our hotel. So many stairs. We have to go up more. And basically what it is, it's a holy temple inside the cave. Sarong, guys. Thank you. Oh, you. As soon as we entered, the guys sprayed the holy water, and then we donated 100,000 rupiah, 50 per person, and we also signed our names. This is the entrance for the holy temple, and let's go in.
Careful.
Be careful as your head, okay? Come in. Slowly, your head. Be careful, your head.
Oh, the air is so fresh.
Be careful, your head. You're gonna feel it. Yep. Be careful. Good. Come. Okay.
Oh wow.
Be careful. Here we go, guys. We made it. Very tiny entrance, but looks so good.
Wow. It's worth it to come, I think.
Very famous.
You can't go upstairs.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
good morning.
This is another view of the temple. This is another view of the temple. We walked down all the way down here to here. Maybe about 5-minute walk, and we saw this towards the exit. We saw this temple here. Very interesting temple.
How are you?
Very good.
How was it?
It's very nice. We are walking to get our bikes. And we parked the bike there. So we're walking and then we see this place that's non-touristic. Very interesting. All we hear is nature, animals, chicken, pig, cow here, chicken. This is the entrance for the temple. You go up the stairs. Not too much, but for us it's too much because we have been hiking. It's worth the visit. You also have to rent a sarong. It's 5,000 from this lake.
The last day in Nusa Penida.
Sad to leave here. It's our last day, as Les said, in Nusa Penida. Last day is spending in this cafe. Very nice. Very relaxed.
Nusa Penida for sure is a place you should visit. With so many beautiful sights to see, it was one of the highlights of our trip.